When I was a kid, it used to be that you could only be one thing. You could be a nerd or a jock, you could be a techie person, or you could be an outdoor person, but you couldn't be both. We lived in stupid times when we were kids, or at least I did, and I'm grown now and realize that I, like you, can have techie things outdoors that I can work where I want to work, and I'm interested in showing you this really cool mobile office. I'm using a $80,000 car with some high-tech equipment, and it's created a really great, ideal workspace. Now, this is a Tesla Model S, and I love this car. I got it for 16.5 and just purchased full self-driving, so it can do all sorts of cool things, and it is lovely. The seats in this thing are considered the most comfortable in the world by a number of different reviewers and sources. And so I have a large battery, I can work outside, and I want to show you the setup that I've created. And yes, I'm still a super dorky. So here in this video, I'm using an Xsense Labs. This is a tablet, doesn't have a screen on it. I have my screen in front. This is a Rog Flow Z13, and I'm using the 3-button artist stylus. Now this is really ergonomic, so it means if you've got some back issues or alignment issues, this is ideal. The seats are heated. I've got keyboard shortcuts on the side, and I have buttons on the side of the stylus that allow me to do additional keyboard shortcuts. So I'm maximizing full screen, and I'm using the radial menu here. You can see, you can zoom in, you can pan the screen, you can change brush sizes, brushes, do a whole bunch of different really quick things back and forth. So with this, I get to be outdoors, easily able to take a walk if I am having a hard time focusing. I've got, this is Rebel 7. It's a natural painting program. I'm using a window mount MagSafe connection combo and a little MagSafe ring on the back of my tablet. This is really an easy way to do it. You can put this all over the Tesla. You could actually hang your tablet straight up and down and lay down if you wanted to work or game this way. And then I stick my phone there sometimes. Now, drinking, got a little backpacking, hiking bag, and to keep the car running, just tap camp mode inside of the air conditioning controls. Notice camp mode. You could literally power a high-powered computer for weeks off the battery and still have enough to get home. Now I have two solutions here. One is really ergonomic and lets you look up as you work. This one is a little bit more in front of you, slightly lower, and I've attached it to the steering wheel with another MagSafe magnet. This one is the smallest, lightest, easiest one. You're going to draw directly on the screen. This is actually my preference. I don't need to bring a keyboard, although I do. I have a Bluetooth keyboard I put underneath. I can adjust the steering wheel and the seat so that I have the exact alignment with the screen that I want. And again, I've been working really hard to make this process of drawing as smooth and easy to do with the stylus, even without a keyboard. I'm using a charger, a USB high-powered charger attached to a little extension cigarette lighter port, and I'll put the links to those in the description at the end. Now I plan on doing a lot more videos on this exact setup. If you guys are interested in using your Tesla as a mobile office or your electric car as a mobile office, I'm going to be doing a lot more content here. Now, there's a handful of problems with this, so I recommend a couple different computers. The Surface Pro line is great. Most tablets actually will work well, especially if they have a Bluetooth keyboard attachment. If you don't want to use the keyboard, And then that's what this channel is about. There's a whole bunch of different solutions I can share with you. So subscribe. I'll be showing also a new setup I have for the back so that you can cook using the battery on the car to plug in a high-powered convection cooktop, as well as some other really cool things. If you have questions on this setup, put those in the comment section below. If you like the wrap on the car and you like the color blue that you see here, also comment below. I'm in love with this combination of colors. I think it's so pretty. Remember, I got this one for $16,500, 113,000 miles on it. I charge for 8.5 cents a kilowatt hour at night, which means I'm paying about $30 to $50 for the equivalent of gas a month. And my payment is about the same as I was paying for gas. I moved up from a 12-year-old car to this gorgeous beauty, and I'm very happy. All my dive equipment fits in the front trunk, which keeps it isolated, no smelly stuff in the car, and there's tons of storage in the back. So if you are a tech enthusiast and you like the outdoors, this is a great channel for you. I'm going to have more combined information on those two things. You like technology, you love the ocean, you love the forest, you love the streams.
Sounded weird.
All right, until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.